How to transfer money from Netspend to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money from Netspend to Cash App. Well, you can transfer money from a Netspend card to a Cash App account using the Send Money feature in the Netspend mobile app or online account center. You can also transfer money between Netspend and third-party debit cards. You want to open up the Netspend app, right? Then under the menu, you want to select Move Money in the Netspend mobile app or online account and select Send Money. Then choose the recipient from your contacts and follow the instructions. If you are on the Cash App, you can open up Cash App and then tap on the profile icon at the top right. Then you'll be on this page. On this page, you want to select Link Bank's option there. And then you can see Link Debit Card option. You want to go ahead and tap on Link Debit Card and go ahead and link the debit card here. If you don't have the card, if you want to transfer it from the account app directly online banking, tap on No Card and enter in your details and you're good to go. So this is how you can easily transfer money from Netspend to Cash App. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.